Nashua Tower, Bonanza 321 Tango Bravo is with you on the visual for runway 32.
Bonanza 321 Tango Bravo, Nashua Tower, runway 32, you clear to land.
Clear to land, 321 Tango Bravo.
You can always go around.
That's right. We got 1 notch of flaps in. Gear, we have 3 green, right? Gas is on the fullest tank. Mixture's rich. Okay, prop to 2500 for the go-around. Now we're going to land a little bit long because we don't want to lose airspeed and drop and land short because of the...
Well, if you're going on that runway, why not use it?
Exactly. We don't need, right, once the wheels touch the ground, we're going to need like 500 feet or so to 700 feet to stop, so there's no reason to, like, we don't want red lights. No. We don't want to be so high that we land halfway down the airport, but you know what I'm saying.
Yeah. I know.
Wind 29013, gust 23.
Final notch of flaps. You want to be stabilized as much as you can be stabilized, far out as possible. Kind of carry extra airspeed because of the wind shear.
Nice landing, Dad.
Wind was pretty much right down the runway. It wasn't really.
Tango Bravo left to Charlie, taxi to the hangar via Alpha and monitor ground point 8 on the way.
Left on Charlie, we'll taxi the hangar via Alpha and monitor ground. 321 Tango Bravo.
Have any wind shear out there?
A little bit. I was expecting worse. It was actually much worse at altitude. It kind of got better the lower we got.
Really? Wow. This was honking here half an hour ago, so he kind of got here during a lull in the action, I think.
Well, I'll take it.